Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. An administrator has received an alert A160068 AFS duplicate IP detected. Details of alert as follows. Which error log should the administrator review to determine the related duplicate IP address? Involved. Option A. Solver log. Option B. Minerva CVM log. Option C. TCP kill log. Option D. Minerva NVM log. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, Minerva NVM.log. Question 2. An administrator is planning to upgrade all SC hypervisors in a cluster hosting files. When performing one-click hypervisor upgrades, what prerequisite must be performed? Option A. Enable the anti-affinity rules on all FSVMs. Option B. Manually migrate the FSVMs. Option C. Disable the anti-affinity rules on all FSVMs. Option D. Shut down the FSVMs. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Disable the anti-affinity rules on all FSVMs. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.